Hola amigos, bienvenidos a mi canal, soy Rocío. Si eres nuevo a mi canal, muchísimas gracias por visitarme y desde ya te invito a que le des like al video, te suscribas a mi canal y no te olvides de activar la campanita de notificaciones para que no te pierdas de nada. So today we have Morissette and this is Fly Like a Bird and they're featuring Kiko Salazar y Adonis Tabanda. Okay, cool. And this is 2020. Okay, vamos a darle play. So 2020, I like her. So this might have been around the pandemic, right? 2020, and it looks like they're in their own homes. Yeah, it has to be. Who's who? Kiko Salazar y Adonis Tabanda, okay. Oh, Morissette, so talented. She's not even singing, and I already loved it.
There's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me.
Oh, so beautiful. Her voice, her vocals, so smooth in this video, this song. I love it.
To erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly.
And some attitude and personality here too that I'm seeing right now. I like that.
Like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord.
That voice.
Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come now.
This is like a studio voice. Why is she so good? Can somebody explain that to me, please? Why are you so good, Morissette? Why?
Carry me home.
So good.
How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony?
But see what I'm saying? This video is so simple because I really think there's like cat hair or something. Like, I'm not crazy. I just see something here. Okay, back to the video. So I feel like this was around the pandemic because it says 2020 and it looks like she's in her home and so are the guys and playing their instruments. But see, it's so simple, but because of her vocals, it's so good. It's like perfect and she's so beautiful. And I don't think she had, well, it's black and white. She might have some makeup on, but very natural, but it's just beautiful. Yes. Morissette, carajo. Morissette, why? Okay, I don't know if you guys, carajo means, well, I don't want to say it, but it's like in a good way. I'm like, fuck, I'm shocked, you know? Okay, I'll say it.
No war with no brutality. If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now.
I felt it right there. Ooh, give it to me, girl. Let's go.
Carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. Leave the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. To pray you'll come and carry me home.
Hey, slow. Oh, I like their voices.
I need you.
Oh.
Right here by my side.
This is like soul. I'm feeling the song. It's like slow and delicate, so smooth, but I love it. I'm feeling it, and that's what I like. And she's smiling throughout the video, and she makes it like even better with her face, her expression. I love it. Hey.
Keep your head up. With God's love, you'll survive.
Yes.
Fly like a bird, take to the
And those notes. God, what else, man? I love the arrangement. It's beautiful. I love this version. I actually do. I really do. Every time she sings like that, I need to breathe for her. I don't know if you if you watch me, I mean, you have to watch her, but it's like like I feel the need, the urge to breathe. It's crazy. Yes, you killed me right there. That whistle, I fucking love every single time she does that. I love it. Vamos a seguir. Damn. Yes. Damn, she killed it. Okay, vamos a pararlo ahí. Wait, is that it? Yeah, that's the end of it. She killed it. She was on point. She fucking killed it. What else? Perfection. She's beautiful. The whole thing. Her vocals. She made it fun to watch too. Even though it was a simple video, black and white. And again, I feel like this was during the pandemic because 2020, and it kind of looked like it because her own home and the musicians too, all separated. And putting together, this was, I think also, this had to be hard to put everything together because they were in different places filming their part. But it was beautiful. Beautiful arrangement, beautiful vocals, beautiful artist. What else? I mean, she gives it to me every single time. She kills it, and she killed it on this video as well. Loved it. Perfection. I freaking love it. Déjame tus comentarios para poder leerlos y nos vemos en la próxima. Chao.